On the same diagram, sketch the graphs as y equals log x and y equals 11 minus 2x. Deduce the number of roots of the equation here. You may assume that the equation this has a root of alpha between 4 and 5. The occurrence relation here with x0 as 4.7 can be used to find alpha. Find and record the values of x1, x2, x3, x4. Write down the value of x4, correct to 5 decimal places, and prove that this is the value of alpha, correct to 5 decimal places. So let's have a look at this then. Because of limited room, I'm going to do the sketch here as best I can. Just a small sketch with a digital pen. So let's do our axes then. Here's the x-axis. Here's the y. Here's the origin. Okay, log x is just the exponential curve around the other ways, isn't it? So there's that curve there. And then the 11 minus 2x is a straight line. Intercept 11, gradient minus 2. So there it is there. This is the ln x here. And this one here is y equals 11 minus 2x. Deduce the number of roots, so just one root. Just one root. Okay. So I think we can see that. You may assume, might want to show a little bit of workings to expand upon this comment here. You may assume that this equals 0 has a root between 4 and 5. This recurrence relation with x0 is 4.7 can be used to find alpha. Find x1, x2, x3, x4 and write down x4 to 5 dp. Okay, part B now. So x0 equals 4.7, x1, x2, x3, x4. So we could write them down as we go through. This is the formula. So we'll need 11. Put 4.7 in the answer first. Now that's been recorded in ants. So we want on the top 11 minus the log of ants, close bracket, that was 4.7, close bracket on top, divided by 2. Now I'm going to move this over to the other side and record these values. Equals. So this will be x1, 726,218, 4.726218, x2, just press equals again, 723,437, 723,437, x3 now, 723,731, and then the next one, this is the x4, 723,700. And x4 is equal to 4.72370, isn't it, to 5 dp. Okay, good. We've done that. Prove that this is alpha to 5 dp. Okay, so log nx plus 2x minus 11 is the equation. So f of x then, ln x plus 2x minus 11. Let's try f of 4.723. 70 would be the root, so we'd need to try 695, wouldn't we? And show that has one sign. And we also need to look at 4.72370. We need to show there's a change of sign occurs here between these two values for this function. And then both of these numbers, when we round a root between these two boundaries to 5 dp, it will equal a 4.72370, won't it? So let's do that then. So it's log of 4.723695 bracket plus 2 times 4.723695 minus 11 minus 1.8 times 10 to the minus 5 minus 1.8 multiplied by 10 to the minus 5, and that's a less than 0. This one now, if we go back here and just toggle back and change the 695 to 704 here and here. Press equals 1.2 times 10 to the minus 6. Which is greater than 0. Okay, so a change of sign occurs. Between these values. Consequently, alpha is equal to 4.7237025 decimal places, which is what we wanted to show.